Hey fashion enthusiasts! Are you endlessly battling clothes that don't fit right? Imagine opening your wardrobe to find outfits that perfectly accentuate your unique shape, boosting your confidence. Stay with us as we explore the Burda Collection, a game changer for embracing every body type. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to style these versatile patterns to suit your individual frame. Hello, lovers of all things style, and a warm welcome back to another fashion deep dive. Today, we're tackling the exciting world of the Burda Collection, a brand with a reputation for adaptability and style that caters to each of us, no matter our body type. Fashion is more than just appearances. It's about showcasing the inner you through the outer form. Whether you're petite, statuesque, or have curves to die for, Burda holds the secret to enhancing your wardrobe with styles as unique as you are. Ready to transform your closet? Let's dive in! Let's begin with the basics. The Burda Collection is not just fabric and thread, it's the epitome of empowerment. Think of it as having a personal style consultant at your fingertips. These patterns are your blank canvas. Whether you're new to fashion or a seasoned trendsetter, Burda has something to offer everyone. Burda designs are all about precision. It's not about altering your body to fit the clothes, it's about tailoring clothes to enhance your natural form. Let's talk about how this dynamic can transform styling for different body types. Classic meets modern Burda blends timeless elegance with modern trends, ensuring you're always at the cutting edge of fashion without losing personal essence. Customization and versatility. The patterns offer a wide canvas for customization. Start with your base pattern and voila, the possibilities become endless. Curvy queens, this one's for you. Embrace your curves with styles that highlight your best features. The Burda Collection features patterns that mold to your contours, offering style and comfort all in one. Wrap dresses and A-line skirts. These create a defined waist, enhancing your curvy silhouette beautifully. The flow of the fabric accentuates your curves while moving with your body. Layering with intention. Incorporate structured layers. Think streamlined blazers or soft cardigans, adding a touch of class and finesse to any outfit. Accessorize boldly. Don't shy away from making a statement. Accessories are your friends. A bold necklace or an eye-catching handbag can transform an outfit, drawing attention and creating balance. Confidence in every layer. Remember, your curves are to be celebrated. Let your confidence shine through as you navigate the endless fashion possibilities the Burda Collection holds. Are you enjoying the journey into style freedom with Burda? Imagine getting these fashion insights every week without fail. Subscribe to our channel below and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of style. Petite ladies, let's navigate the fashion seas that cater to your elegant stature. The Burda Collection includes strategic designs that convey poise and height, style hacks for the petite frame. Embrace high-waisted and vertical designs. High-waisted trousers and skirts lengthen the legs, while vertical patterns draw the eye upwards, adding length. Dresses tailored just right. Mini and midi dresses frame your silhouette, offering the perfect balance without overwhelming your frame. Tailored tips. Mastering proportions is essential. Burda's patterns are your allies, ensuring each outfit fits your frame and you're always dressed to impress. Next, we turn to those with an athletic or rectangular frame. Let's play up your strengths with the Burda Collection's magic touches. Focus on enhancing the athletic build. Play with ruffles and peplum styles. These add dimensions where needed, contouring a balanced silhouette. Prints and patterns. Embrace bold prints as they add excitement and elevate your look into something extraordinary. Fitted meets flowing. Mix solid-colored fitted tops with flowing skirts or pants for symmetry and beauty. Bringing drama and dimension. Creating drama through fashion is about mastering dimensionality. Burda's array of patterns includes countless styles that can add visual interest and sophistication to your wardrobe. For our tall, fabulous viewers, Burda presents long line patterns that complement your striking silhouette with elegance. Maximize tall style. The maxi movement. Maxi dresses move with your frame, highlighting your long lines. Wide-legged trousers and tunics. They are perfect for balancing proportions, offering a chic, put-together look. Blazers and belts. Use these to define the waist, presenting a polished, proportional appearance. Spotlight stature. Your height is a gift. Emphasize it with styles that celebrate your unique frame. Burda offers the keys to creating a balanced, engaging wardrobe. We've journeyed through the wardrobe possibilities Burda presents, learning how these versatile patterns can cater uniquely to every body type. Remember, the best fashion speaks to who you are. It empowers, showcases strength, and radiates confidence. What patterns are you excited to explore? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion adventures. Until next time, keep shining and let your sense of style speak volumes.